If you just unboxed your new SANSUI Smart TV with webOS, don't skip this video. Here I will show you exactly how to complete the first time setup, connect to Wi-Fi, adjust key settings, and get your TV ready in just a few minutes. So first you have to make sure your TV is connected to power. Plug one end of the power cable into the TV and the other into the power adapter or wall adapter. If you plan to use any external devices such as an HDMI device, antenna, cable box, or a wired internet connection, you can connect those cables to the back of the TV now. And now you have to grab the remote that came with your TV. Just insert fresh batteries and make sure the battery cover is secure. Then you just have to press the power button to turn on the TV. So once the welcome screen appears, simply press the OK button to start the setup process. So the first screen, you will see the language selection page. Just choose your preferred language from the list, then select Next. So here you may see a pop-up asking if you had liked to turn on audio guidance. This feature is mainly designed to help people who are visually impaired or have trouble seeing the screen. So if you don't need it, just leave it off and continue with the setup. So now select your country, then time zone, and then you have to continue to the next step. Now you'll be asked how you had like to set up your TV. You can use a mobile device or complete the setup directly on the TV. I will choose TV setup here and then continue. Now here select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password and connect. So once the connection is successful, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. And after that, choose your TV signal sources. If you have a cable or satellite connection connected to the antenna port, so you just have to select that option. Or if you only use an antenna, choose antenna or simply select none if you don't plan to use live TV. And now on the next screen, enter your chip code. If you don't know it, you can quickly search for your area chip code online. Now select your TV placement. I choose for stand here or you can go for wall mount. Next, decide whether you had like automatic software update enabled. Keeping this on is usually recommended so your TV stays up to date. And you will then have the option to sign in with an LG account since webOS is powered by LG, so you can sign in now or select skip and do it later. And then you may also see recommendation for apps to install. So just feel free to install them now or simply choose skip. And that's it. Your SANSUI webOS TV is now set up and ready to use. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix269 till the end.